Number 1. Contaminant, meaning a substance that makes something impure. Synonyms: pollutant, impurity, toxin. Antonyms: purity, cleanliness, filtration. Explanation: harmful substances in water that pose health risks. Number 2. Mortality, meaning the state of being subject to death. Synonyms: fatality, death rate. Antonyms: immortality, survival. Explanation: highlights the risks associated with unsafe water. Number 3. Sustainability, meaning the ability to maintain something over time. Synonyms: continuity, endurance. Antonyms: unsustainability, depletion. Explanation: important in managing water resources responsibly. Number 4. Amid, meaning surrounded by or in the middle of. Synonyms: among, amidst, during. Antonyms: outside, beyond. Explanation: indicates being encompassed by certain conditions or situations. Number 5. Secularism, meaning the principle of separating religion from government institutions and public affairs. Synonyms: non-religiousness, impartiality. Antonyms: sectarianism, religiosity. Explanation: secularism ensures that the state treats all religions equally without endorsing or opposing any. Number 6. Virulent, meaning extremely severe or harmful, bitterly hostile. Synonyms: malicious, aggressive. Antonyms: benign, mild. Explanation: the petitions pose a virulent challenge to secularism. Number 7. Trajectory, meaning the path or progression of an event or action over time. Synonyms: course, track. Antonyms: stagnation, halt. Explanation: the outcome of the case may affect the trajectory of communal relations. Number 8. Acquiescence, meaning passive acceptance without protest. Synonyms: compliance, consent. Antonyms: resistance, dissent. Explanation: the Act does not cover disputes resolved through acquiescence. Number 9. Depredation, meaning an act of attacking or plundering. Synonyms: pillage, destruction. Antonyms: conservation, preservation. Explanation: the Act is criticized for allegedly legitimizing historical depredations. Number 10. Propagate, meaning to spread and promote widely. Synonyms: disseminate, broadcast. Antonyms: suppress, contain. Explanation: critics argue the Act inhibits the right to propagate religion. Number 11. Non-derogable, meaning unable to be violated or undermined. Synonyms: inviolable, sacrosanct. Antonyms: breachable, flexible. Explanation: the Ayodhya judgment described the Act as enforcing a non-derogable obligation. Number 12. Retrogression, meaning the process of returning to an earlier state, typically worse. Synonyms: reversion, decline. Antonyms: progress, advancement. Explanation: the Act prevents retrogression of secular value. Number 13. Irony, meaning a state of affairs that seems deliberately contrary to expectations. Synonyms: paradox, sarcasm. Antonyms: sincerity, literalness. Explanation: the irony is that secularism is claimed to be undermined by the Act. Number 14. Commence, meaning just to begin or start. Synonyms: initiate, launch. Antonyms: conclude, end. Explanation: the Supreme Court will commence hearings on December 12th. Number 15. Obligation, meaning a duty or commitment. Synonyms: responsibility, requirement. Antonyms: freedom, choice. Explanation: citizens and institutions have an obligation to uphold secularism. Number 16. Paradigm, meaning a typical example or model of something. Synonyms: model, standard, archetype. Antonyms: exception, anomaly. Explanation: The term refers to a pattern or framework used to understand concepts or ideas. In the title, it suggests a fundamental change in approach. Number 17. Tango. Meaning, a dance performed by two people, used metaphorically to indicate collaboration or partnership. Synonyms: dance, duet, partnership. Antonyms: solo, isolation. Explanation: the title uses tango metaphorically to highlight the necessity of joint efforts between India and Bangladesh. Number 18. Grapple. Meaning, to struggle with or try to deal with something. Synonyms: struggle, wrestle, tackle. Antonyms: avoid, release. Explanation: suggests that both countries need to address or confront challenges in their relationship. Number 19. Sovereignty. Meaning, supreme authority or control, especially of a state. Synonyms: independence, autonomy, authority. Antonyms: dependence, subordination. Explanation: emphasizes the need to respect each country's autonomy while building ties. Number 20. Accountability. Meaning, responsibility for one's actions or decisions. Synonyms: responsibility, answerability, liability. Antonyms: irresponsibility, unaccountability. Explanation: ensuring accountability is crucial for achieving reform goals. Number 21. Tumultuous. Meaning, marked by disturbance and uproar. Synonyms: turbulent, chaotic. Antonyms: peaceful, orderly. Explanation: describes Syria's chaotic history. Number 22. Hegemony. Meaning, dominance of one group over others. Synonyms: leadership, supremacy. Antonyms: subordination, equality. Explanation: refers to external and internal powers exerting control in Syria. Number 23. Insurrection. Meaning, a violent uprising against authority. Synonyms: rebellion, revolt. Antonyms: compliance, submission. Explanation: describes actions by militant groups against the regime. Number 24. Arbitration. Meaning, the use of an independent person or body to settle disputes. Synonyms: mediation, adjudication. Antonyms: dispute, disagreement. Explanation: a potential mechanism to resolve conflicts peacefully. Number 25. Unravel. Meaning, to undo or become undone, to clarify a complex issue. Synonyms: untangle, resolve, decipher. Antonyms: entangle, complicate. Explanation: often used metaphorically for resolving or exposing complications in situations. Number 26. Rhetoric. Meaning, the art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing. Synonyms: oratory, discourse, eloquence. Antonyms: silence, inarticulateness. Explanation: often used to describe language designed to persuade or impress. Number 27. Spillover. Meaning, an unintentional result or consequence from an activity or event. Synonyms: overflow, side effect. Antonyms: containment, isolation. Explanation: used to describe secondary effects that spread beyond the initial event. Number 28. Oversight. Meaning, supervision or management, a failure to notice something important. Synonyms: superintendence, error. Antonyms: neglect, disregard for the first meaning. Attention, awareness for the second meaning. Explanation: reflects careful monitoring or an accidental omission. Number 29. Critique. Meaning, a detailed analysis or evaluation of something. Synonyms: review, assessment. Antonyms: praise, commendation. Explanation: involves providing feedback, often highlighting both strengths and weaknesses. Number 30. Shrill. Meaning, high-pitched and piercing in tone or sound, loud and intense. Synonyms: piercing, strident, harsh. Antonyms: soft, muted. Explanation: used metaphorically to describe extreme rhetoric or strong, sharp criticism. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video added value to your day, see you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.